Let's step inside a place few ever see. A world hidden behind the golden arches. A McDonald's beef processing plant. This isn't your average factory, it's a carefully orchestrated operation. Forget the farm, we're not talking about rolling green pastures here. This is a high-tech factory where science meets food production, where precision engineering ensures quality. Here, millions of hamburgers begin their journey. A journey from raw material to the iconic McDonald's patty. The goal? Turn quality beef into the patties that make up your Big Mac or Quarter Pounder, ensuring that every bite is consistent and delicious. Inside it's cold by design. The temperature is carefully regulated to maintain freshness and safety. Chilled air and spotless, stainless steel surfaces set the tone, creating an environment of hygiene and control. Workers wear protective gear, adhering to strict protocols, making the place look more like a lab than a butcher shop, emphasizing the scientific approach to food production. The beef arrives as large, inspected cuts from trusted suppliers, each one carefully vetted. No whole cows, no mystery. Just specific cuts chosen for their quality and consistency. Only one ingredient goes in, 100% pure beef. It's a promise of quality and transparency. No fillers, no additives, no pink slime, just pure, unadulterated beef. Cuts like chuck, round and sirloin, the same cuts you'd recognize, just like you'd find at the grocery store, ensuring familiarity and trust. McDonald's is clear about this because people want to know what's in their food. They deserve to know. The process starts as refrigerated trucks deliver frozen blocks of beef, maintaining the cold chain from supplier to plant. Workers unload these hefty blocks onto conveyor belts, the first step in a highly automated process. And from here, the meat is barely touched by human hands, minimizing contamination and maximizing efficiency. Consistency and safety are the priorities, driving every decision and process within the plant. Every block is tracked with codes, providing a complete history of the product, so the factory knows its exact origin, ensuring accountability and traceability from start to finish. This system ensures every patty starts with the same high-quality beef, guaranteeing a consistent taste experience. The journey from truck to patty is tightly controlled, monitored at every stage to maintain the highest standards. It's all about precision, ensuring that every patty meets the exact specifications. No surprises, no shortcuts, just a commitment to quality and consistency. The plant is designed for efficiency, safety, and total traceability, reflecting McDonald's commitment to responsible food production. This is where your burger story really begins. A story of quality, safety, and precision. Let's follow the beef as it transforms, witnessing the journey from raw material to the final, delicious patty. The journey of our beef begins with massive frozen blocks. These blocks are the raw material, carefully selected and prepared for their transformation. These blocks are then moved to a specialized tempering room, where the temperature is meticulously controlled. The goal? To bring the beef to a state that's still cold, but just soft enough for grinding. This careful temperature control is absolutely crucial. It keeps the meat firm, preventing smearing and ensuring a high-quality grind. This is essential for a clean, efficient grind, setting the stage for the next phase of production. Massive grinders, true behemoths of the food processing world, stand ready to break down the beef. The frozen blocks are transformed into the familiar ground texture we recognize. The process is fast, a whirlwind of blades and beef. It's loud and precise, a testament to the power of modern food processing. These machines can process thousands of pounds per hour, a truly staggering amount. Uniformity is key, the bedrock of the entire operation. To ensure a consistent product, every batch must have the same consistency, meeting stringent requirements. Next, blending begins. Different cuts are carefully mixed together. This is done to achieve McDonald's signature lean-to-fat ratio, a critical element of their flavor profile. Giant mixers gently tumble the meat, ensuring a homogeneous blend. This ensures every patty tastes the same no matter where you are, coast to coast. Quality control is constant, an unwavering presence throughout the entire process. To maintain these standards, samples are tested for fat content in an on-site lab. If a batch doesn't meet these strict standards, if it deviates even slightly, it's immediately pulled from the line, no exceptions. This isn't guesswork, there's no room for error. It's a science of consistency, a carefully orchestrated process. The blend is checked, rechecked, and scrutinized at every turn. Only the best moves forward, only the batches that meet the unwavering standards. Every step is about delivering the same juicy burger, the same satisfying experience, every single time without fail. The result? Perfectly ground, perfectly blended beef, ready to become a McDonald's patty, It's now ready for the next stage, the shaping of the patties. It's a dirty job, no doubt about it, but it's also a precise one, demanding accuracy and attention to detail. Now, with the blend perfected, it's time to shape the patties, the next step in creating a McDonald's burger. The ground beef travels to the patty forming machines, the heart of the operation. These machines portion and press the meat into perfect patties, thousands per hour. Each patty is weighed to the gram, ensuring a true quarter pounder is just that. Patty molds create the signature round shape and for some the familiar dimple for even cooking. The process is a blur of motion. Conveyors, presses and rows of pink patties. Workers monitor the machines, checking for shape and weight. Any inconsistency? The machine is adjusted on the spot. Human oversight meets machine precision. The result: uniform patties, ready for the next step. Efficiency and quality control work hand in hand. The scale is staggering, but every patty is checked for perfection. Formed patties head straight into a flash freezing tunnel, cryogenically cold, well below -40. This rapid freeze locks in freshness and flavor, preventing ice crystals that ruin texture. No preservatives needed, the cold does it all. Frozen solid in minutes, the patties are paused at peak quality. Next, the quality gauntlet: every patty passes through a metal detector. Even the tiniest metal fragment triggers an alarm and automatic removal. Random samples are pulled for lab tests, microbiology, fat content, even taste. The process is relentless: test, verify, repeat. Only patties that pass every check move on. Safety and consistency are non-negotiable. This is how McDonald's delivers the same burger every time. Now it's time to pack and ship. Frozen patties head to the automated packaging area. Machines stack and box the patties with speed and precision. Each box is sealed and labeled with production date, location, and batch code. This tracking system means any box can be traced back to its source. Boxes move to a massive storage freezer, cold, organized, in constantly rotating inventory. The goal: get patties to restaurants fast, always first in, first out for freshness. When it's time, boxes are loaded onto refrigerated trucks. The cold chain is never broken from plant to restaurant. Trucks deliver to distribution centers, then to individual McDonald's locations. Every step is monitored for temperature and safety. The patties are ready for their final destination. At the restaurant, the process is just as strict. Frozen patties go straight into the walk-in freezer. No breaks in the cold chain. When you order, a crew member grabs the exact number of frozen patties and places them on a clamshell grill. No thawing, just frozen to sizzling in seconds. The grill cooks both sides at once, perfectly timed and temperature controlled. A buzzer signals when they're done. The patties are seasoned with just salt and pepper. The result: juicy, evenly cooked burgers every time. The system mirrors the factory. Precision, speed, and safety. Every burger is cooked to the same standard no matter where you are. The journey's almost complete. Now comes the final assembly, the culmination of all those carefully orchestrated steps. Fast, precise, and familiar. A well-rehearsed ballet of burger construction. A toasted bun gets a measured squirt of ketchup, ensuring consistent flavor in every bite. And mustard, applied with the same unwavering precision. Onions and pickles are added, each piece carefully placed. Always the same amount, guaranteeing that familiar taste you expect. The hot patty goes on top, fresh from the grill, melding flavors together in a symphony of savory goodness. The top bun finishes the stack, completing the iconic form, and the burger is expertly wrapped in seconds, ready for its journey to you. The whole process, from grill to wrap, a testament to efficiency, takes less than 30 seconds, a blur of practiced movements. Speed is essential in this fast-paced environment, but quality never slips. It's a non-negotiable standard. Every crew member knows the dance, a synchronized routine. Consistency is everything, the key to a reliable experience. When you unwrap your burger, ready to enjoy that first bite, you're tasting the result of a tightly controlled journey, a testament to precision. From pure beef to precise grinding, ensuring the perfect texture, high-tech forming, flash freezing to lock in freshness, and rigorous checks at every stage. The cold chain, the grill's consistent heat, the assembly line's flow, every step matters in this intricate process. That's why your McDonald's burger tastes the same, no matter where you are, every time, everywhere across the globe. It's a massive, meticulous, and surprisingly fascinating